Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So I'm going to go over the S&P 500 with you guys again. The market breaking into new highs throughout the last few days. I'm going to go over exactly what kind of momentum we have at this point in time, what exact momentum we're looking for to have that strong push going into 2022. And I did lose my voice, so I apologize ahead of time. I definitely sound very funny. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart with you guys here on the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY. Looking to see if we can break into new all-time highs. As you guys can see, we have this strong push. Looking to see if we can continue on into new all-time highs with that strong momentum. But I do want to mention, if you do want to see all of our daily breakout alerts of the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, again, we had this strong push for the last few days. Looking to see if we can continue on with momentum. So I'm going to go over the MACD. Again, this is the buy pressure. As you guys can see, again, we do have this strong buy pressure that has been coming in. And as you guys can see, we have, again, this strong buy pressure that we had previously. Again, this is not when we broke into new all-time highs. We actually broke into new all-time highs at this point in time. We had very little buy pressure at this point in time. And sure enough, we did have that strong pull. We had nothing close to the previous momentum that we had on this spike. So again, we're looking to see if we can break above this momentum we had on this spike, not this spike that we had on this rejection. As you guys can see, we're looking to see if we can break above this buy pressure point that we had previously on that spike. So looking to see if we can break above this previous buy pressure point to get that strong momentum that we're looking for here on the S&P 500. Is exactly what we're looking for here. Now, I'm going to show you guys the 20-day moving average and the 50. As you guys can see, we do have the 20 below the 50 as we are pushing up. So showing us that we are a little overextended. We could come back down and possibly retest and then push back up from here. So again, we could come back down, test the 50, and possibly push back up into new all-time highs. Again, no surprise if going into next week we do have a slight pullback and the 20-day moving average does cross over the 50, and we do continue on from there. As you guys can see previously, again, we had the 20-day moving average crossing below the 50, and we were looking to see if we can cross above. And even though we did drop below the 20, we still had the 20 above the 50, showing us that we could continue and had a large rally in the market. So we're looking for the same thing to happen here, for the 20 to cross back over the 50, even if we do have a pullback, even if we drop below the 20 and the 50, as long as we get the 20 moving average to cross back over the 50 here, then we will continue on into new highs, in my opinion. Again, this is very key for us to make sure we can increase in buy pressure. If we do not increase in buy pressure, then in my opinion, we're not getting that strong push in the market. So again, going into 2022, I like this strong push that we had for the last few days, breaking above this momentum that we had on that strong rejection with the strong sell pressure. But again, making sure we do increase in buy pressure. We do have that white shaded line coming in because again, we had that sell off right before going to extended hours. So again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. You know, all of you Instabills that have been supporting the channel and coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. God bless every one of you guys. I hope you guys have a great Christmas Eve. Have a great Christmas. Don't forget why we celebrate Christmas every single day. Much love to everyone of you guys. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.